Hey friends, in this video I'm going to break down Bitcoin across multiple time frames, all based on pure price action. We'll talk about the trend, market cycles, triggers, momentum, and volatility, so we can filter noise and focus on high probability setups. Let's start with the weekly time frame to identify the main cycle. It's clearly bullish, right? High highs and high lows, so our high cycle is bullish. Good. Now let's moving into daily time frame. After After breaking down from support level, price is now pulling back into it. If we lose the recent low, um, well, we can see deeper bearish correction. But honestly, it's less likely because the Fed is expected to cut rates in the coming months. That injects liquidity into both stock and crypto, which is supportive for Bitcoin's upside. So here's the deal. For spot buyers, watch this downside mm, trend line. If you break above it and then breaking this resistance, that's your first clean spot trigger. Place your stop loss below the previous low, um, critical support, and adjust your risk with extra confirmation like volume, RSI, pivot points, or whatever tool you actually trust. Tools don't matter. What matters is whatever you have backtested them and proven they works for you. Now, let's zoom to 4-hour time frame to find out our fresh future triggers. On 4 hours, Bitcoin been moving inside a clean downside channel, respecting the midline, top, and bottom repeatedly. Right now, it looks like price is trying to break to the upside, but don't go long blindly. Fake out happens. We need confirmation. On the 1 hour time frame, we have this resistance. So price has respected it before. If we break above it with momentum, that's our line trigger. I promptly use RSI to check momentum. If RSI enters overbought during the breakout, I'll even add to my position size. And of course, volume is your best friend. Volume is the difference between a fake big breakout and a real move, where the majority of market participants are aligned. If you want the simplest trading formula, it is the off 40 plus volume. That's all you need as a breakout trader. And for shorts, the same trigger applies. Break this support, and you can go short. But remember, a shorting goes against the high wave cycle as we talked before. So reduce your risk heavily if you take that side. And when I talk about risk management, I don't mean just stop losses. It's a puzzle. Position sizing, stop loss, targets all must fit together. You'll never have 100% certainty about the target or stop, but you can be 100% confident in your risk plan because it's already set before you even open the trade. Finally, let's touch on Bitcoin dominance. It's starting to show some signs of life again. If dominance continue higher while Bitcoin breaks that resistance I mentioned, mm, you can go long with Bitcoin. Otherwise, altcoins like Ethereum will likely outperform. Speaking of which, if you haven't watched my Ethereum analysis yet, check it out. Last year, they delivered plus 80% gains, no leverage, so it can be helpful. Remember, don't FOMO. Stick to risk management. Trade your trigger, not your emotions. Until tomorrow's Bitcoin update. Peace out.